I asked him if he had coyotes.
Wow.
Take a picture of that with
Oh yeah, it's on GoPro now. Woo!
That's gnarly, bro. Keeps going, I guess. Hey, at least it's not us, am I right? That is insane.
It's those fucking wolves, man. Or coyotes, yeah.
Keep your pointers down.
Keep your pointers down.
How's that for a walk up? Does that look right?
Oh yeah, yep, there you go. Can't really tell.
Yo, I have to bang, man, because there's no ammo in this pistol.
Yeah, right? The game doesn't end until we die. Hey, hey, we got one trailing. He just crouched.
Don't point at him.
Huh? Yeah.
Max.
Max is terrorist.
We all have terrorist cards.
Yeah.
They're gonna have a posse. Hold on, let's give them a.
You gotta roll deep, man.
Yep.
We just gotta worry about that sniper who is tailing.
Oh, right here, left. Right here.
Yo, you wanna just get in there?
In
Oh,
there?
that's Redbeard. That's Redbeard. He's got another guy with him. He's got two guys.
He's not shooting at us.
Okay.
They're engaging.
No, they're just shooting at us. We gotta kill these guys.
We do?
Yeah. Hold on, isn't this right here? You guys see anyone? Where?
Who are you firing at?
You shooting at someone?
Terrorists?
Civvy!
No harm, no foul.
Yeah.
There's a sniper that's been following, kind of.
Somebody was trailing.
He looks suspicious. Good shit.
Yeah, that's my bad. I didn't tell you. I kind of.
We knew you were.
I kind of took
Hey,
him
hey,
in
hey,
with
hey!
us.
They just saw that. They just saw that up there on that fucking hill. On the hill. They might have said, "Hey, hey, act like it." Oh,
He was
that's.
shooting down over there.
Hey. On him?
Him?
Okay.
Yeah, him. We're
Yeah, he started firing. He started firing.
I didn't do shit.
I didn't do shit. You would have heard it. You definitely would have heard it.
Yeah, mine too. I'm running a pistol. I mean, you can tell mine completely.
You'd have heard this fucker racking off.
Hey, you would have heard it.
Like that shit, you can tell that's mine.
Why are you aiming at us? We're not aiming
Yeah, we didn't do it. That's the guy.
I just got a pistol.
Not him. I don't know about him. I don't know about him. Good shit, dude. I got that shit on camera too.
You don't need to bang bang.
What'd you say to
I
him?
bang bang.
Oh. Did you say, get the fuck down? It sounded like you said that. Getting a little warmed up now that I'm moving. Got the heartbeat racing.
That was suspenseful.
Dude, that was nice.
Dude, that drunk kid's gonna be telling him everything.
That was nice.
We gotta go.
Yep.
We gotta move.
Hey, valley down and go back up.
Let me see it. Oh shit, there. All right,
You gotta
guys.
loop around for his rifle.
You don't have your rifle?
It's at the
I
top.
left it over there.
Oh, you got anything?
Pistol. I got
Oh, yeah, pistol.
I got like fucking 400 rounds for this.
Well, they're gonna
hold
come.
out.
They're gonna come after us.
Well,
Yo, yeah,
he's
dude.
got his M4. He don't have a sniper rifle.
Okay,
anymore.
so you.
But
are
yes,
you,
we
you're
are in
still in then, yeah.
Yeah,
he's
yeah,
in.
dude. I
We-
bang banged.
we-
I
shoot.
colluded him in.
Sorry,
What about
we
the
didn't
other
know,
guy?
dude.
Did you tell
Oh,
the
it's
other
good.
guy?
Well, fuck that guy. I said as soon as he started shooting, I was gonna drop him.
Yeah, I
he
shot
dropped
him
a couple
already.
guys.
So
Yep.
good.
Yeah, because that's too much attention draw.
But yeah, we're in a big fucking group right
Yeah,
now.
this is gonna be.
Here he comes.
All right, yo, come on. We
Both
gotta
detectives are running together.
All right.
Then they're easier to kill.
Yep.
Exactly. And then,
Yo, let's go by the.
LMG boys up by the.
He's. I don't
He's
think.
up by the fucking.
We were trying to get him real
He's
quick.
gotta be a civvy. He hasn't been doing nothing.
He is a city. We got all 4 of us right here.
Oh yeah. What's that?
Plus a collision. We gotta add strength to numbers, guys.
Dude, good thing you shot him, Max, because I was so close to pulling the trigger and I forgot how loud my fucking gun is.
Oh yeah.
There's at least one that did.
What do you mean?
You know, somebody like me put their hands up. There's somebody else had to have looked. What do you mean? There's no reason they would have come right over at us right away.
Hey, we did have that guy trailing us over here.
Yeah, that sniper.
I still can't believe that one baby.
I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm gonna shoot everybody. Who said that? That dude over here don't have to. Yeah, he's just like, I'm shooting everybody. I don't give a shit. Apparently it was them, so. That'd be a good way to get
Yep. Curve back up. It's like I'm actually getting more grip now. It's weird. Right at the end.
Oh shit. They're right there. That's Mike right there.
No, that's the sniper guy that was tailing.
Sniper guy. They're right there coming down the hill though.
Hey, there's that sniper.
taking
There's that
lead?
sniper that was tailing.
They're all of them are coming down towards us.
Yep.
Should we hide real quick?
Go back up.
Go back up.
Wait for him to come down that hill a little bit.
and then go.
Yeah, yeah.
They gotta go all the way
Yep.
up the hill.
There you go.
Wait a second. Let's get a plan for a firing line. We'll dig in at the last second. Just fucking tear 'em.
Yeah, we gotta keep a tight line.
Okay, so
That's a lot of guys,
keep the
though.
guy in the order of view. If
They're
they're on the
looking at
line,
us.
say you're on the end, get down the end. Second
Alright.
in, get just set
Well,
up a
if
fucking
there's
line.
detectives, go for the detective
So my
first.
question is though, are we allowed to just open fire?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're allowed
Yeah,
to.
we-
You are now. You can now. Oh, that's okay.
Someone's coming. Hey, Sheriff. Oh shit, we're just digging ourselves deeper here, I think.
We do get stopped though. Keep it cool till the very end. There you go, yeah. Civilian side first.
Thorns all right here, watch out, guys.
Oh, it's all thorns, baby.
No fun without a little bit of pain.
If only thorns and everything would be around.
Yes, it is. It ain't melted down back here much at all. Just hardened up.
Hey, let the city go first. We should get up in front.
I'll take seconds.
Hey,
I'll sit up second with you.
you guys got. Hey,
So when they ask, I'll
Okay.
show my card first.
okay, all right. Sounds good. There's sniper. Yep, about 20 feet up. Left.
Any of them the guards? Where's the action at?
Hey. Stop right there. Why are you walking up so fast, man?
What?
Hey.
Why you guys so
You got to put that other hand down. We're all good here.
We're good. We are. They just checked us over here on the other ridge.
Hey, too many guys. Stay right there. Stay right there. We don't need. Hey, we don't need it too close.
The detectives are coming right now.
Hey, detectives are coming, so.
Behind the tree!
So they're allowed to shoot anybody?
Terrorist! Right here, other side of the tree!
I thought.
So are you allowed to shoot anybody then?
No. I don't think so.
Shooting over here!
Unless you're a terrorist, you can't shoot.
They're shooting right here!
Oh yeah, you're the terrorist for sure.
Let me see this dude's card then. Check this guy's card.
Which one?
Right, here,
there.
this guy's shooting over here.
The little sniper is.
Yeah, if he's a civilian, then he can't shoot unless someone is known a terrorist, because no one pulled a gun.
Yeah, nobody fired upon him. Okay, so your kill is good.
All right, it's invalid. Okay. All right.
Yeah, I didn't really get that either.
Well, that's why I was asking up there, like, how does
Unless somebody shoots, you shoot. Unless the detectives can